So the Marrakesh jacket, the whole reason for us to go into this project was to build the most comfortable riding jacket that we could. So when we first started out, we knew that we had to find the right material. So the main body fabric was going to be really important, and we found this stretch woven material that had all of these characteristics that were really interesting. High level of durability, four-way stretch capability, and what we'd call a micro mesh breathability story, all baked into this same kind of fabric. Once we had the fabrics picked, we went to work on construction, making sure that the garment was constructed and built to Klim's rigid standards, and that the jacket was outfitted with the safety features that we offer in our other motorcycle pieces, like a full suite of D3O armor and 3M retro-reflective material. So with the Marrakesh, you're going to get lightweight, you're going to get total body comfort, you're going to get the breathability and a durability aspect, and a refined, clean aesthetic.